Well, guys, I just had to refilm this video. We just experienced one of the most extreme bouts of volatility we have seen in a while from the crypto market. And it had to do with the announcement of spot Bitcoin ETFs being approved. But wait, was that the actual case? So there was a tweet that came out from the SEC official Twitter, and what it said was, today the SEC grants approval for Bitcoin ETFs for listing on all registered national securities exchanges. The approved Bitcoin ETFs will be subject to ongoing surveillance and compliance measures to ensure continued investor protection. So we saw this massive movement in terms of BTC. We saw a spike all the way up to, what was it, 48K, and then a retracement all the way down into the low 45K. So it was a buy the news event. It was a sell the news event. We're all over the place. But wait, there's more, and you cannot make this up. Gary Gensler supposedly tweets out the SEC Gov Twitter account was compromised and an unauthorized tweet was posted. The SEC has not approved the listing and trading of spot Bitcoin exchange traded products. Wow. What a wild turn of events. What a swing we are experiencing in the market. Now, the question lies is, are we still getting these spot Bitcoin ETF approvals? You know, is this just an early release tweet before the official announcement was to be made? That's kind of the big question, right? Now, here's the thing, you know, for an entity that is supposed to be so much about protecting investors, for them to have their Twitter account compromised so easily kind of brings about other questions. But it kind of was a little bit of a show of the hand for what we might experience once we actually do get an announcement, once we do get an approval. Now, the interesting thing about this is BTC went through a massive sell-off in a very short period of time, right? But the strange thing is that altcoins actually pumped. They actually gained a little bit of ground. Now, that's not really saying much because, again, this wasn't official. This wasn't really that big of a move for many of these altcoins, but you can see that when this announcement was made, they did spike just a little bit. So again, this may be the hint that what we may see is, again, some of that ground being gained by altcoins over Bitcoin. And this is what I've talked about time and time again. We're at this point where historically we gained some ground. We gained back a lot of what we lost in terms of the dominance compared to Bitcoin. So we'll obviously just have to wait and see. Again, maybe this was just a premature announcement. Maybe the Gary Gensler account is actually hacked. We'll obviously have to wait and see, but holy vey, what are we going to do, guys? So appreciate you as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.